It doesn't matter if you are in charge of a league team at school or take large groups on traveling. The first aid kit should be the first thing in your backpack. Although they are first aid kits, they are great purpose-built that can even save a life. Different first aid kits come with different supplies, including band-aids, antibiotics, minor injuries, and quick relief. Some of them are budget-friendly, while others entirely focus on features and facilitation. No matter what type you're looking for, we have covered it in our roundup. In this video, we're going to review our top 3 recommendations for the best first aid kits of 2021. You can check out the description of this video below for the links to all these products. And don't forget to like and subscribe to your daily list of best outdoor product reviews. Now let's have a look at the top 3 first aid kits of 2021. Number 3. Adventure Medical Kits Mountain Series Hiker, Best Hiking. Disaster can strike any time out in the wilderness. That's why Adventure Medical Kits spare no expense at making some of the best medical kits for mountain hikers. This medical care kit comes with a copy of A Condensed Guide to Wilderness Medicine by Eric A. Weiss. The guide is a well-known manual on how to care for your health in the wild. The Adventure Medical Kit Mountain Series Hiker First Aid Bag is for 1 to 2 travelers. It's suitable for a 1 to 2 day trip out in the wilderness. The bag contains 5 types of medication for various purposes. They include Afterbite for instant relief from insect bites. You also get aspirin, ibuprofen, antihistamine, and acetaminophen. In addition to that, you get 29 wounds and blister care products. These include a trauma pad and a nitrile glove to prevent blood loss in case of open wound. To help with blister relief, the pack comes with pre-cut moleskin pieces that you can apply to the blister. Not only that, but you get 22 products for cuts and scratches. These include antiseptic wipes, alcohol swabs, and splinter-picking precision forceps. And all of these things come in a semi-transparent bag that saves room in your backpack. One of the biggest downsides to this kit is the size. Yes, it's small, so it easily fits in your hiking bag. But this also means there is little to no room for any additional items you might want to keep. Number 2. Surviveware Small, Best Camping. Need a smaller survival kit? Surviveware is the answer. This small medical kit is extremely compact and lightweight, and the best part is each item is easy to find and not just cramped in one large bag. To be more specific, the bag contains a multitude of mesh pockets for your convenience. So, for example, you have a separate pocket for antiseptic wipes and pressure bandages, and another one for cotton swabs, and even one for triangular bandages. For minor wounds, the kit includes adhesive dressing, and for bigger wounds, you get wound closure pads and safety pins. To secure your dressing, the kit also comes with hypoallergenic tape that only sticks to wet surfaces. The most interesting part is the CPR kit and resuscitating mask. CPR is the most basic form of medical aid, so a CPR kit is a pretty good idea on a medical kit. Also, the CPR pouch can be removed entirely from the kit to make it easier to use. As for the bag itself, it's made from 600D polyester and is water resistant. And to make it easier to fit into your hiking bag, it has a few versatile straps. However, since it's a small and lightweight bag, it has some missing things. For instance, you could use a few more cotton swabs and bandages. Number 1. Everlit Survival First Aid Kit, Best Survival. Need a larger medical kit for a family hiking trip? Then we've got just the medical kit for you. The Everlit is a massive survival kit for the average hiker that includes an incredible 250 pieces. The kit meets or exceeds OSHA requirements and is large enough to treat a whole family. Moving on to the technicalities, the kit contains both medical and survival supplies. On the medical side, you get wound dressing pads and soap wipes along with burn dressing and gloves. There's also first aid tape, an emergency mylar blanket, a shear, and tweezers. Along with that, you get a CPR mask for safe resuscitation. As for the survival supplies, there's a folding pocket knife for all purposes. The kit also includes 2 glow sticks as emergency lights, along with a flashlight, but the batteries are not included. For those who stay overnight in the wilderness, there's a fire starter just for you. You also get a disposable poncho to cover the entire family in case it rains. What's interesting, however, is the fact that there is a saber card. A saber card acts as an all-in-one tool for opening cans and cutting through wood. And the cherry on top is the bag itself, which has a mole system, making it highly modular and easy to pack. You can even stack your pouches on it. However, there is one issue with the bag: it doesn't have enough bandages. For a bag this size, you would expect them to have a few more bandages, but instead you get cotton balls and band-aids, which won't always work out. So that's it for the top 3 first aid kits of 2021. Like, comment, and subscribe to get all the notifications about our latest videos.